Motivation, as we have discussed earlier, stands for the state of an organism which involves the existence of a need that moves or drives him from within towards a goal for the satisfaction of the desired need. In this video, we will discuss about motivation cycle. The behavior is initiated on account of some inherent need. Thereby, the first stage or the starting point of the motivational cycle is the birth of a desire, want, or need in an individual. This desire, want, or need makes an individual think about the ways and means of its satisfaction. He may now become quite anxious and perturbed for the satisfaction of his desire or need, such that the stage of his mind and body become a germinating point for the birth of a drive or motive. The drive or motive so produced on account of the felt need or desire now becomes a driver, persuader, and energizer of one's behavior. It initiates one's behavior to a goal-directed path, provides sufficient inputs for the continuation of such behavior till the goal in terms of the realization of the desired need, desire, or want is not attained. Thus, in the end, the organism is able to reach the desired goal and get relief from the anxiety and tension with the satisfaction of his need and motivation. However, what one gets from the satisfaction of his felt need or desire through his motivated behavior provides a temporary halt to his behavioral activities. The journey is not at all completely stopped, but in fact advances further with a new zeal and enthusiasm for the realization of some other need and desires. Satisfaction of a need through a motivated behavior reinforces one's behavior to work for the realization of another goal. That is the satisfaction of other needs or desires accomplished with new motives. In this way, one's motivated behavior gives birth to the next motivated behavior in the shape of a motivational cycle. It further energizes an individual to remain in the cycle of motivation by creating new desires, ambitions, and needs, the satisfaction of which further requires a set of motivational behavior and motivational cycle. Now try this. Explain the motivational cycle. Discuss about motive, drive, need, and arouser.